Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. Energizer has finally announced it will be releasing its Ultimate Battery King rugged phone at the Mobile World Congress that will be taking place this February in Barcelona. In a move that addresses the needs of those seeking extremely long-lasting smartphones. Avenir Telecoms, a company known for releasing phones under the Energizer brand, is gearing up to launch Energizer P28K at the upcoming Mobile World Congress that will be taking place at Barcelona in late February 2024. The company is set to reveal a game-changer, the Energizer P28K, the first smartphone equipped with a colossal 28,000 mAh battery. 28,000 mAh battery is finally coming to a rugged phone. According to information released about this phone so far, Energizer P28K is going to be a rugged phone with an IP68 and IP69K for water and dust resistance, and a military standard 810H certification, which means that it can withstand the harshest of environments. Energizer P28K is expected to feature a full HD Plus display and a 6.78-inch IPS LCD screen with a 60 or 120 Hz refresh rate. As for camera, it will have a triple rear camera setup of 60 megapixel wide-angle sensor and a dual 20 megapixel for secondary sensors. It will also have a 16 megapixels front-facing camera for selfies. The phone is also expected to run Android 14 out of the box. However, what makes the Energizer P28K stand out so far is the battery life, which is the colossal 28,000 mAh battery that is about to set a new benchmark for battery endurance in a rugged phone. You will probably need to only charge this phone once in a month. That's all I have so far concerning this phone. You will need to subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss future updates and a possible review of this new rugged phone. So, are you excited to finally be getting such a huge battery on a rugged phone? Let me know what you think in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Like this video if you like it, leave a comment if you have any questions, and please watch our other videos.